The internet changed money forever, and today millions of people search for the same thing online every single day. Guaranteed money, fast success, easy systems. Shortcuts that promise instant financial freedom without long-term effort or patience. But the truth is far more realistic. Because there is no instant guaranteed wealth online, digital income still follows the same principle that has always controlled financial success throughout history. Value creation, consistency, and systems built over time. The people who consistently make money online usually build real systems instead of chasing fantasies. And those systems often begin very small with a simple skill. Small audience, a basic service, or consistent daily effort repeated for long periods of time. Most beginners fail online for one major reason. They expect speed, immediate results, instant growth, fast money. But sustainable online income rarely works that way because real digital success usually begins slowly, quietly, and almost invisibly in the beginning stages. The first major principle is learning valuable digital skills, because the internet rewards people who solve problems through writing, editing, marketing, programming, sales, design, content creation, and communication that creates value for other people consistently over time. At first, the earnings may feel small and insignificant. But skill growth compounds over time, and a person improving consistently becomes more valuable every single year, while creating more opportunities for higher income and long-term digital freedom. The second principle is consistency, and this is the exact stage where most people quit because they try online income briefly, see slow progress, become frustrated, and stop completely before momentum ever has time to build naturally. But digital systems reward repetition, because posting content regularly, improving daily, learning continuously, and showing up consistently creates momentum slowly at first, and then eventually, that momentum begins compounding faster than most people expect. The third principle is creating assets, because most people only consume online while wealth builders create online through videos, websites, digital products, businesses, communities, educational content, and systems that continue producing value long after they are built. This changes everything because time becomes leveraged, meaning assets can continue generating attention, income, trust, and opportunity even while the creator is no longer actively working every single hour of the day. Another major factor behind online income is trust, because people buy from creators, businesses, and systems they trust, and credibility is built slowly through reliability, consistency, quality work, transparency, and long-term value rather than emotional manipulation or fake promises. Most guaranteed money online promises are dangerous because they target emotion instead of reality. By selling fantasies involving fast riches, zero effort, instant freedom, overnight success that rarely survive long-term in the real world. Real online income requires work, learning, patience, adaptation, focus, and discipline, because while the internet creates enormous opportunity, it also creates enormous distraction capable of destroying consistency before success ever arrives. That is why focus matters so much, because people who succeed online usually stay focused long enough for their systems, audiences, businesses, skills, and assets to mature slowly over time instead of constantly restarting from zero. The fourth principle is diversification, because relying on one income source online is risky as algorithms change. Platforms evolve, markets shift, trends disappear, and audience behavior constantly changes across the internet. Smart digital earners eventually build multiple systems, including freelancing, content creation, affiliate income, digital products, investments, consulting, and online businesses where each additional income stream creates more long-term financial stability and security. The fifth principle is reinvestment, because money earned online is often used to improve systems through better tools, stronger skills, larger reach, improved content quality, advertising, automation, and better long-term infrastructure for growth. Over time, what started as a small online income can eventually become scalable digital wealth. And this is the stage most people never reach simply because they quit too early, before consistency compounds and before systems fully stabilize. But those who remain patient often build financial freedom gradually rather than instantly, because sustainable online wealth usually grows step by step through systems, habits, discipline, and long-term thinking instead of shortcuts. 3 powerful truths eventually become clear. There is no instant guaranteed money online. Valuable skills combined with consistency create predictable income. And digital systems create scalable wealth capable of growing far beyond traditional limitations. The internet may be one of the greatest wealth-building opportunities in modern history, but only for people willing to build patiently, prove consistently, and stay disciplined long enough for compounding systems to finally begin working in their favor. That is the real difference. If you want more insights into digital wealth, online income systems, and financial growth strategies, explore more videos on Wealth Finance 61. Like the video, subscribe, and share your thoughts below.